In an exciting development within the tech world, a recent insider leak has revealed intriguing detail about Vision O's display innovation. This groundbreaking display, expected to adorn Honor 100 series flagship smartphone, boasts an array of impressive features. Vision OX has pushed the envelope by introducing a stunning 1.5K resolution, promising a visually impressive experience. The display takes design to the next level with its ultra-narrow Q-cover design with a main 0.8mm BM black edge plus before air and a middle frame. It achieves a stunning 1.5mm bezel width. This display integrates cutting-edge technology including a remarkable 3840 SRPWM ultra high frequency class DC dimming LTPO technology. These features collectively ensure outstanding visual quality and user perception. Alongside the display revelation, the insider hinted at the Honor 100 series flagship camera probes. Expect a 200 megapixel primary lens, periscope telephoto lens, and additional enhancements. This photo solidifies Honor commitment to delivering exceptional photography capability. So delving into design detail, the Honor 100 Pro catches the eye with its innovative use of vegetal skins placing glass process, increasing a seamless aesthetic. The absence of breakpoint center frame contribute to a sleek and classic design, reinforcing the device commitment to a premium look and feel. On the front, the Pro variant features a space-lifting double dug hole cover screen feature, enhancing the impressive visual experience. Meanwhile, the standard Honor 100 Pro model boasts a single punch hole cover display, showcasing a commitment to elegant simplicity. So, as anticipation build for official release on November 23, 2023 in China. So, see you. Take care.